Hey guys, and on today's item shop update, we have the Street Serpent pack still available. We also have the Dark Reflections pack also still right here. However, I'm very happy to say that Captain America is back, which makes sense because of all the updates that have happened. And yes, his emote is also back. Next up, we've got this pretty sweaty skin introduced in Season 10. And this one right here with its awesome backbling with the perfect glider to go along with that skin and a pretty funny harvesting tool. Finally, one of my favorite skins is also available, introduced in Season 2 Chapter 2 with its awesome glider. Next up, we've got Flamingo and Scully with a pretty neat backbling. There's also this pretty neat bundle. It's all together with all these backblings and this harvesting tool. And finally, all our emotes, which does include this one right here, plus this one. For all of you Star Wars fans, right here we still have this glider available. Don't worry, under special offers, we also have this whole pack still right here. However, yes, if you want to buy individual skins, such as this one, or this one right here, they are available for purchase, all separate with different V-Buck prices. For example, this harvesting tool right here is only 500 V-Bucks, and the harvesting tool is only 800. But anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.